Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear student, hope you are all fine at your homes and also taking your online classes. May Allah bless you all. Ameen. I am Sana Afshed, English teacher of class 3. Welcome to all Divisional Public School and College Sahiwal. Dear students, you have already started your first unit of Oxford Modern English, Dorothy Meets the Scarecrow. You have completed its reading and explanation last week. So, before we start our lesson, let's discuss the objective of the lesson. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to answer the question given in the exercise of the lesson. Dear students, moving on our lesson, I want to share message of the day. Success does not come to you. You have to work hard and achieve it. प्यारे बच्चों, कामयाबी आप तक खुद चल के नहीं आती जब तक इसको हासिल करने के लिए आप खुद से मेहनत नहीं करते. Let's start our today's lesson with the recap of the story. Dorothy meets the Scarecrow. Dorothy and Toto were walking on a yellow brick road. Dorothy and Toto were walking on the yellow brick road. When they got tired, जब वो थक जाते हैं, they sat by the road. There was a cornfield and in the field was a scarecrow. The scarecrow nodded at Dorothy and when she went near him, he began talking to her. जैसे ही scarecrow के पास डोरथी जाती है, वो उससे बातें करना शुरू कर देता है. Dorothy was surprised. Dorothy was surprised. वो हैरान रह जाती है. She took the scarecrow off the pole and he could walk too. वो उसे पोल से हटाती है और उसके साथ वो भी चलना शुरू हो जाता है. He asked Dorothy where she was going. Dorothy told him that she and Toto were going to Emerald City to meet the Great Oz so that he can send them back to Kansas. वो इसीलिए ग्रेट ऑज से मिलने जा रही है कि वो उसे वापस उसके घर कंसास पहुंचा दे. Scarecrow asked her if he could go with her so that he can ask Oz to give him some brains. Scarecrow डोरथी से पूछता है कि अगर वो उसके साथ ओज के पास चला जाए तो क्या वो उसको ब्रेन दे देगा. डोरथी एग्रीड. डोरथी उससे एग्री करती है. The scarecrow told Dorothy that he didn't want people to call him a fool. Scarecrow चाहता है कि वो उसको लोग जो हैं वो फूल ना कहें because he was made of straw. He picked up Dorothy's basket as he did not get tired. Scarecrow डोरथी की हेल्प करता है कि वो उसकी बास्केट उठा लेता है. Toto was unfriendly with him. Toto जो कि डोरथी का पेट है, डॉग है, वो उससे अनफ्रेंडली है, उसका फ्रेंड नहीं बनना चाह रहा. बट ही वॉज नॉट अफ्रेड. लेकिन वो उससे नहीं डरता. ही टोल्ड डोरथी ही वॉज अफ्रेड ऑफ ओनली वन थिंग एंड दैट इट इज अ लाइटेड मैच बिकॉज ही वॉज मेड ऑफ स्ट्रॉ. स्केयरक्रो डोरथी को बताता है कि वो सिर्फ लाइटेड मैच में माचिस से डरता है बिकॉज ही वॉज मेड ऑफ स्ट्रॉ, क्योंकि वो स्ट्रॉ का बना हुआ है, तिनकों का बना हुआ है. आपको पता है बच्चों, जो चीज़ स्ट्रॉ या तिनकों से बनती है उसको आग जल्दी लग जाती है. Yes, this is your first unit. Dorothy meets the Scarecrow. Comprehension practice exercise A. You have to give the answer the following questions. Your first question is, what is the road made of? Road किससे बनी हुई है? Answer is, the road is made up of yellow bricks. As you look in the picture that the road is made up of yellow bricks. पीली ईंटों से बनी हुई है. Now come to the second question. What is Dorothy's pet called and what type of creature is he? Yes, look at the picture and guess that Dorothy's pet is called Toto and he is a dog. Question number 3 is, why is the scarecrow in the field? Scarecrow field में क्यों है? Answer is, the scarecrow is in the field to scare the crows and stop them from eating ripe corns. Your fourth question is, what does Dorothy do to help the scarecrow? Dorothy ने scarecrow की help कैसे की? Answer is, she helps the scarecrow to get down from the pole and takes him with her to Emerald City. डोरेथी ने स्केयरक्रो की हेल्प ऐसे की कि उसे पोल से नीचे उतार दिया और अपने साथ एमराल्ड सिटी ले गई. नाउ डियर स्टूडेंट, लेट्स मूव ऑन योर फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 इज, व्हाट डज द स्केयरक्रो डू टू हेल्प डोरेथी? पहले डोरेथी ने एक स्केयरक्रो की हेल्प की थी, अब स्केयरक्रो ने डोरेथी की हेल्प कैसे की? आंसर इज, ही पिक्स अप हर बास्केट. स्केयरक्रो ने डोरेथी की बास्केट उठाई. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, व्हाट डिड द स्केयरक्रो वांट टू आस्क द ग्रेट ओस फॉर? स्केयरक्रो ग्रेट ओस से क्या चाहता था? ही वांटेड टू आस्क द ग्रेट ओस फॉर सम रेन. स्केयरक्रो ग्रेट ओस से रेन चाहता था बिकॉज he was made of straw. Now it's time for homework. You just read out your lesson or the recap of the story. Answer the following questions. Question number 1, who was the little girl? Question number 2, what did Dorothy gaze at? Question number 3, where did Dorothy go? Question number 4, why was Dorothy amazed? Amazed means surprised. Question number 5, why did the scarecrow was afraid of lighted match? Scarecrow lighted match से क्यों डरता था? Dear students, this is all from my side. Thank you and have a blessed day.